Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a kachumbar easy and yummy recipe. These are the list of ingredients. You require curd, coconut, garlic, onion, cucumber being the main ingredient. I've also taken raw groundnut. You can definitely take a roasted groundnut. I have dashed it into very tiny pieces. You can choose the size of the piece of your choice. I've grated the coconut. It's 1 cup. And also chopped some garlic. So put all the ingredients together, excluding the garlic, chilli. So it's onion, it's cucumber, and then grated coconut and half of chilies. Add some curd. I've taken thick curd, so I'll be adding some water because I do not like it really thick, but if you're somebody who is a fan of it, definitely go ahead and do so. Mix well. And then add some salt to it. I've used pink salt. You can use any salt of your choice. Now I'm going to go ahead and roast some groundnuts. Once roasted, set it aside. Take 1 tablespoon of oil. Bring it to heat it off. Add some mustard. When it starts spluttering, add the chopped garlics. And then once the garlic starts leaving out the aroma, add half chili that's left out. Once it turns kind of golden brown, once the garlic turns golden brown, then go ahead and put this on top of your salad. Garnish it with crushed groundnut. You can remove the skin off. I was too lazy, I guess, or rather I like it with the peel in, and then mix it up. Voila! The kachumbar is ready for you to eat. You can serve it with rice, roti, biryanis, or you can just have it like me. I have it just like a salad. This is my morning breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you!